I am going to be sharing with you a full bathroom, gutted out and refurbed. Now this is something that I've never shared before. So if you've been watching me on social media, you'll know that I have a CQC registered supported living service, and I'm also a consultant, so I help other people to set up supported living business. But what you don't know is that I'm actually a property investor as well. I do have several properties in the Birmingham area. So now I'm going to kind of start showing you about what it is that I actually do behind the scenes when it comes to properties. So the first property that I'm going to be showing you today is going to be a full bathroom refurb. Okay, so let's go. So I've been in business now for 10 years. 10 years. I started my first business in 2013, and that was t-shirt printing and workwear embroidery, and I kind of made myself known at the time at different networking events as the t-shirt printing lady. And then over time, my businesses have literally just evolved, and I'm going to be sharing like more about my journey like over the next few months as well. But it's really important that as a business owner you evolve. Okay, we evolve, we learn new things, we get mentors, and we make more money. Okay, so this is the property that we're going to be going in today. So there is a tenant actually in this property. It's a very old bathroom, but we're going to gut it out and we're going to refurbish it. And I'm also going to break down the cost. You're going to see my contractors, why I use them, how much they charge, all of this type of thing. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are going in now. We're going to go straight up the stairs. Is the bathroom. Okay, so as I mentioned, this has someone in it. Okay, so someone does live here, it's tenanted. But what we're going to do, this is so old, so take a look around here. So in here is the boiler. There wasn't anywhere else to put the boiler in the house, so we're going to see what we can do about this door here to make it a bit more pretty. But what we are going to do, we're going to rip everything out. So the tiles, I think they've been here for about what, maybe 30 years. This bathroom hasn't been done, maybe 20 years. I'm probably exaggerating. Okay, but we're going to take absolutely everything out, remove all the tiles. We're going to fill the cracks in the wall, in the ceilings and everything, make it all smooth. We're going to change the blinds. The windows are good. If I can see, show the windows. The windows are good. Okay. What you want to do is knock out all of this here. There's pipes in here. We want to make more space. And as you can see over this side right here, there's like exposed pipes and everything. So what we're going to do is, the aim is to move this toilet to face the door, just to make it a bit more sexy. Okay, we want to sexy up this bathroom. So we're going to move all the, we're basically taking it back to brick. So if you look at the radiator, it's a 1-panel radiator. So it's been here for quite some time. So what I would like to do is change this radiator and put like a nice towel radiator thingy. Okay, I don't know what it's called, but you know what I mean. So I want to put that here as well. And then that's what we're going to be doing. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want you to subscribe, because we're going to be going into detail with this refurb. And I've actually invested in another property recently. That is a massive refurb. So we're going to be going through all of that as well. So follow me on this journey. My name is Petra Foster. Click below to subscribe. We're looking for bathrooms now for the property that we just been to. And the budget is not high, but it's definitely not low. So we're going to be looking at what we like and see what we like. But guess what? We're going to be looking, but I'm not going to buy from here because I can get it cheaper. But anyway, you didn't hear that from me, do you know what I mean? Hello, so we are at the tile shop. Now, I've been coming to this tile shop since I was a child. You know what, maybe I've been a property developer in the making since I was a child. I've been coming here for like 30 years. So now I guess you know how old I may be. I look younger than what I am, but listen, I'm up there in age. But anyway, we're going to have a look at what's available in the tile shop for that bathroom that we are renovating. We're thinking about, do we want to have the floor tiles matching the wall tiles? So we're gonna have a little browse and see what we like. But I think we like something like this. Can you imagine? I'm gonna be interior designing this bathroom, okay? Interior designing the bathroom. So I'm a developer, I'm an investor, I'm a business owner, supported living business owner, and I'm an interior designer. Okay, so we'll just keep cracking on and looking around.